6.
Okay, now let's start chapter number 6, fractions. Open your books, everyone, and look on the board. Om kahin nahi likhna hai abhi. You always ask in between, ma'am, where we have to write. So I'm telling you, abhi kahin nahi likhna hai. You just have to look on the board. Okay, just wait. Okay, now chapter 6, fractions. Okay, fractions may. What do you know about fraction? What do you know about fraction? What do you people know about fraction? Can you tell me? Have you seen a fraction anywhere?
Ma'am, fractions means equal sharing.
Yes, equal sharing. Good. Anybody else? Yes, Om. What were you saying?
Ma'am, 1 and 5.
Okay. Where have you seen the fraction in your life, in your daily life? Where have you seen any fraction? Have you seen any fraction in your daily lives?
Ma'am, pizzas.
Huh?
Ma'am, pizzas.
Very good. Very good, Rehansh. How? How, Rehansh?
Ma'am, I want to tell something.
Samar, please don't speak in between next time. Like this. Yes, Rehan, speak.
Because one pizza have 4 slices.
One pizza have 4 slices. Then what you have seen in that, how can you see that that is a fraction? How can you see that that is a fraction?
Ma'am, because it is equally divided into 4 parts.
Very good, Rehansh. Because as he said in a pizza, if you have seen it equally divided into 4 parts. Suppose this is pizza and it is equally divided into 4 parts. Okay. So this is what one whole pizza. What is this? What is this?
One whole pizza.
One whole pizza. This is whole pizza. Whole means one. Whole means one.
Whole one.
Whole means one. Okay. One pizza is there, so one whole means one. Okay, Rehansh, then what do you know about this pizza? Okay, you have seen, wait a minute, Rehansh. You have seen fraction somewhere today also. In the morning when you have given the test, you have seen one fraction. Where is it? Do you remember? You have seen fractions. Yes, you have seen the fraction today in the morning when you have given your test.
And the paper was divided into 3 parts.
No, that is not a fraction. You have seen the fraction in the morning itself when you have given your test today. Every day you are seeing when you are giving the test. You are seeing one fraction. You know that?
No, ma'am.
Somebody can tell me?
Ma'am, 1 hour.
No. No. Dhwani, I'll talk to you. Dhwani, I will talk to you right now. Acha, have you seen your marks? How many marks you got? 29-3.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Ma'am, fraction.
Ma'am, the answer part in the question. No, that is not a fraction, beta. Here it is a fraction. This is a fraction, your marks. You got out of 30 marks, you got 29 marks, right? And what is this? This is a fraction. Okay. What is a fraction? Beta, there are 2 parts in a fraction. One number is up and the number in which it is equally divided. This down number is known as denominator. What it is known as? Denominator. And this is known as what? Numerator.
Numerator.
And this is numerator. This one is numerator and down one is denominator.
Denominator.
Okay, understood. Now see how we form this. How we will form. Om, beta, abhi kuch bhi nahi likhna hai, okay? So don't speak in between. Okay?
Ma'am, I'm telling, we have learned this in the 3rd class.
Yes. But no need to write anything, just look on the board. So this is numerator part and this is denominator part. This is one whole. And this is one whole. Complete is known as one whole. Okay. Now, how do we form a fraction? Like Rehansh told us that pizza is there. One pizza is there. And you have 4 friends and you decided to equally, beta, in fractions, the division is equal. So you all decided to divide that pizza into 4 equal parts. So what you have done, you divided that pizza into 4 equal parts. Now, one friend, suppose, let her see this one. This is the part, 1/4 part of a pizza. This is 1/4 part of a pizza. No, wait a second. Let me tell you how do we form this part. So Rehansh is there. Rehansh को ये वाला part मिला है. This is part for Rehansh. This is for Samar. This is for Om. And this is for Pratyusha.
Ma'am, 3 boys and 1 girl.
So what? Boys and girls are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is divided into 4 equal parts. This pizza is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay. How much part? Rehansh ate this part. How much part did you eat, Rehansh? How many total parts are there? Total parts are there. First of all, tell me how many parts, total parts are there?
Total 4 parts.
4 parts. Total are 4 parts. So 4 becomes the denominator. The number of parts, total parts becomes the denominator. And how much part you ate? Hridyansh, wrong, beta. You are saying opposite. And how much part you ate?
Ma'am, 1/4.
How much? No, you ate how many parts out of 4 parts?
1.
1. Okay, as Hridyansh is typing in the message, he is saying 4 upon 1. 4 upon 1 is not the correct answer. Why 4 upon 1 is not the correct answer? Because beta, out of, can you get 30 marks out of 29? Can you
No,
get
ma'am.
30 marks out
No,
of
ma'am.
29? 29
No,
marks
ma'am.
है और उसमें से 30 marks मिल सकते हैं आपको. Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
It's not possible. That's why 4 upon 1 is also not possible. Out of 4 parts, out of 4, whatever out of 4, out of means always comes the denominator. Out of that part, which part is being eaten up? One part is.
Ma'am,
Okay.
denominator should be baked in numerator.
There are some questions in which denominator becomes the smaller. I will tell you about proper and improper fractions afterwards. That I will come, you will come to know. But remember, out of the total parts always comes down. Okay, and the smaller part, the part which you have eaten or done something or taken out, the result of that part is here. Okay, total parts down, denominator, and the result of that part, whatever you have eaten, whatever you have scored, it always comes in the numerator. Understood? So these are known as fractions. Understood? Fraction where it has, okay, this pizza is divided into 4 parts. It can also be divided into 6 equal parts. But remember, parts should be equal. ये नहीं है कि रेहांश ने ज्यादा खा लिया है और बाकी सबने कम कम खाया है. Okay? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Like what he has done, suppose what happened, this will not be a fraction. If what happens, if there is one pizza and you are 4 students. So Rehan, what he did, he cut one small part and one big part like this. What he did, Rehan shared this part. He cut his big part of pizza and he ate this one and he gave this one to Samar. So this is not equal division. This is not equal division. That's why this is not a fraction. This is not forming a fraction. Yes, we can form a fraction of it when we draw this imaginary line. Okay, we can draw this imaginary line and then we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. Total parts, we have to divide more into equal parts. Then it is not a fraction. Okay. It should be equal division. Suppose if you have 6 friends. Suppose if you have 5 friends also. 5 कैसे divide होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are equal. 5 friends है तो 5 equal parts में divide होगा. Okay? Understood? Okay. And what is known as one whole? This is known as one whole. Whole is meant by, what do you mean by whole? Whole means one. Whole means one. Acha, some of the terms you should know, and I know in the previous class also you have learned. This is known as, when you have this half part, what is it known as?
Ma'am, 1/2.
One half, or you can simply
Ma'am,
say
1/2.
half. Half. Okay. Okay. If you say half,
Yes.
if you say half, it means out of 1 and 2 parts, you have which part? 1 part. So half is known as 1 upon 2. Half is known as 1 upon 2. Okay. Now let us see this. This is there, and this is divided into fourth part. So as I say, 4 equal parts are divided. Suppose Pratyusha ate this one. So Pratyusha ate 1/4 part. 1/4 is also known as 1 upon 4. It is also known as quarter. What is it known as? Quarter.
Quarter.
1/4 is known as quarter. What is it known as? Quarter. For example, if you have seen a clock देखिए 12,
Yes, ma'am.
6,
Yes.
3, 9. So beta, this timing, this part is known as quarter. On this side also, if it is not this side, अगर ये प्रत्युषा वाला part भी नहीं है, if it is of summer side also, then it is also quarter. This side also becomes quarter. Okay. Now, hope all of you have understood. Anyone has any doubt? So numerator and denominator. Now I'm going to tell you. Suppose the first. Wait a minute, beta. If the numerator, if you form a fraction like this, out of 4 marks, you got 3 marks. Okay. So the upper number is known as numerator. What it is known as? Speak everyone.
Numerator.
Speak everyone.
Numerator.
Switch on your mics and say numerator.
Numerator.
Numerator. Say again.
Numerator.
I can see most of the mics are all still off. I can see. I can see most of the mics. Numerator. And this part is known as
Denominator.
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 Wait a second. Let me switch off. Fourth C, fourth A, fourth A vector है, fourth C, fourth C, fourth C. Maths. Today you were having maths exam, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Maths.
Ma'am, this class is 4th B.
Yeah, I know, beta. Just wait. We take out it, finding out the answers of test. These are the answers of test. Doubts. Anjali, you may ask it, beta. Abhi Anjali, I will give you the permission to ask. 24, 27, 30, essay 33 and 36. 8 का आएगा. 8 1s are 8, 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 36. 12 का if you say 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So LCM will be 24. It is coming in the all three of them. Although 36 is also coming in all of them. 12 is not coming here, 12 is not coming here, but 12 is not coming here. So that means we have to circle out 36, 36, and 36 is also the answer, may be the answer, but 24 is the correct answer because it is the lowest common multiple. We have to take out the lowest one. Dhwani, understood? These are your wrong answers. Beta, you should study well during the classes, Dhwani. And if you were absent, you should watch these videos. Because I don't think so anybody is having any other problem. Yes, Anjali, you were having some problem in any of the question. Tell me, Anjali, what was
Ma'am,
it?
in true or false, second question is that the number which is not prime, which is a composite number. Ma'am, can you
Yes,
tell me the
beta,
correct
it is false. Oh, sorry, it is true. Sorry. Every number which is not prime, they are composite. जो prime नहीं होते हैं, वो composite होते हैं. Except one. One का I told you there is an exceptional case. If after one, I think in this class only somebody was having problem. Noel was having. Noel is in 4th B. Okay, sorry. Okay. Noel is in fourth A. Sorry, Noel is in fourth A. She was having the same problem, and I taught you this in the class also. Yes, I taught you this in the class. It is true that every number which is not prime वो composite होता है, जो prime नहीं होता है वो composite होता है ना अंजलि? जो prime नहीं होता है वो क्या होता है? Composite.
Ma'am, it is very easy.
In
Yes.
composite.
जो prime नहीं होता वो composite होता है. Every number which is not
And
prime.
except one.
Except one. One is an exceptional case. Anybody else who was having any other problem in the test? Only that one third question, leave that one, leave that on me. They are having two correct options and I pick only one by mistakenly. By mistake, I take it wrong. So let it be. Not. Okay, let's now come back to the fractions again. Just wait a minute, beta. Now let's come back to fractions. So numerator and denominator. Okay, right. How to write down a fraction? How to name a fraction? Suppose this is written 3/5. How we are going to read it? See, numerator, listen very, very carefully, everyone. This number is numerator is read as it is. जैसा है numerator हम वैसा ही बोलते हैं. For example, what is written in the numerator? Yes, Om, tell me what is written in the numerator. What is written in the numerator? Om, tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Samar ऐसे बीच में नहीं बोला. Samar मैं तुम्हें permanent mute करने वाली हूँ if you are going to do this. हाँ, Om, tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Okay, beta. I'm going to ask anybody else. Okay, Mehul will tell me. Mehul, tell me, how do you read it as the numerator? What is written, the number written in the numerator? Mehul?
3.
3. Very good, Mehul. And the denominator part, we use it in Roman numbers. Roman numbers we pronounce like Roman number. How do we pronounce Roman number? How do we read Roman numbers 5 as 5? Tell me.
Ma'am, 5th.
Very good.
Ma'am, fifth.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Fifth.
5th.
F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. 3 fifth. Okay. Numerator as it is and denominator as fifth. In
Okay,
Roman
ma'am.
numbers. Just wait a minute, beta. Shall I take your attendance for a minute? Just